Sheffield Hallam exercises, ready, go.
Rigger dipping, ready, go.
Safe position.
Safe position, ready, go.
Got to be a lot louder, Charles.
One hand, hold, touch your head, ready, go. Touch your toes, touch your head. Safe position, knitting and purling, ready, go.
Round and round.
Change directions,
Ready, go.
ready, go.
Loud. And then get them to row on between the two boys.
Row on between the two boys, ready, go.
Remember to turn, remember to look. Is she looking the right way, Charles?
Look behind you, make sure, yeah.
Legs flat, blades off the water, left hand in front, blades feathered, Dubs. Drop. Hold it up. Keep shouting at them, Dubs. Talk, get her to look. Marvin, that's brilliant, well done. Go back round the white one and coming in.
Go around the white one.
White one and in. Try and get the blades off the water. Have a quick look at where it is. Okay, Charles, follow Marvin round the white one again. Why was it good? Were you moving quite quickly?
Yeah.
Both blades?
Yeah.
Steering?
Yeah.
Balancing the boat?
Yeah.
Okay, so how much have we learnt today?
Like all of that, really.
A lot, haven't we? Do you think you can spin your boat now, Charles, so that you can come in next door to where Marvin's come in?
That way.
Yeah, on these wooden bits. Super, well done. Now can we go alternate? One stroke, one back down. That's the plan. Are you pleased with today?
Yeah.
Great. Well done.